Here at Peak Human, we're focused on longevity. Our goal is to really help our patients long into their golden years. And what we do is we help a lot of people prevent them from getting sick in the first place. And I think that's where we got to change things around. If we can be on top of something, we can actually prevent getting sick. A typical family doctor sees about 50% of their complaints are related to mental health issues. What we need to do is try to figure out if we can address the mental health component, all the other stuff can fall into line. Mental health is really at the center of everything. For example, somebody's trying to lose weight. Like, yes, we can fix the metabolism, potentially work on calories and exercise and all that, but if we haven't addressed the motivation and the cravings and the binging and other types of behavioral issues, then we're gonna basically hit ourselves against a brick wall. I see that there's a big gap right now in current treatment and care of our population, of our patients. We tend to silo people, there's a big stigma against mental illness, and people don't want to necessarily be on the traditional treatments, which are primarily pharmaceutical. We need these new types of treatments, and part of that are tools like transcranial magnetic stimulation, which are really game changers because not only are they very helpful for people who have diagnosed mental illness, they can actually improve everybody. I am super passionate about finding those treatments that can make an impact. EXOMIND uses transcranial magnetic stimulation of the brain. And what that does, it stimulates the very particular parts of the brain that then strengthen the connections between the neurons of the brain. And so that helps with multiple conditions like anxiety and mood disorders and binging disorders, craving. As we get older, these connections get weaker. So it's kind of like exercise for the brain. Like as we exercise muscles, we're exercising neurons in this case. It's a very exciting time to be here at Peak Human and in the medical space because we're finally getting tools that can really make a difference that are not difficult to do. They're not painful for patients, and that's why I want to give access to patients these type of revolutionary new treatments. Mental health care is one of those big gaps that has always been there, so now we have a tool here with EXOMIND that I'm super excited about, and every day I meet new patients that I wouldn't have normally thought about it, and now I'm like, oh yeah, you could really benefit from EXOMIND. Why don't you do a session today? So I'm so excited to have EXOMIND here. We're looking forward to seeing amazing results at our clinic.